If your house has a leak, or if you're concerned about your shingles, maybe you need to get an inspection done. There's no cost for an inspection, and maybe you need to get a few shingles replaced. Just do a small repair. We can do a roof tune-up. Come out and check your house over. They're about $650 for a full roof tune-up and shingle replacement. We can't do it in the rain, but you want to do it when it's not raining, so you don't have to worry about it when it is raining. Call Frontline. We're happy to help you.